So in this lesson, we're going to get started installing Python on Mac. Simply go to a browser and type in Python 3. You'll navigate to the downloads page if it doesn't already take you, or you can go from the home page to downloads here and select Mac OS X. The latest version of Python at the time of this recording is 3.9. Any version that's 3 or above is what we'll be using for this course. So that means future versions of Python or whatever. 2.7 again is the old version of Python that's being deprecated. So we'll want to be learning the newest and latest and greatest stuff. So go ahead and go to the release page. You can read through some of the information if you want, and then I recommend just using the simple installer here. Go ahead and click on it, and then you can install Python. So there'll be a few menus to click through. Go ahead and agree. And I recommend installing to the default location. You might need to type in a password, and it'll take just a few moments for Python to install. So as it's installing, recall that we're installing version 3.9.4 in this video. There might be a later release or a similar release later, but that's okay. So once Python's installed, you can click on it and launch it. We're going to be using what's called the idle editor to do our text editing in this series. So you can use the Spotlight tool, for example, to type in idle, then hit enter. You'll notice that Python 3.9.4 has been loaded, and you can go ahead and type in a command such as print hello to test it out. And there you go. If this works, you're ready to continue on with the rest of these lessons.